How can Middle East migrants avoid K-1 fiancé visa denial? Imagine planning to start a new life in the United States with your loved one, but facing unexpected hurdles that could stop your journey. That's why understanding how to avoid a K-1 fiancé visa denial is so important. This visa allows a U.S. citizen to bring their fiancé or fiancée to America so they can marry and stay together. But the process can be tricky, especially for migrants from the Middle East. Knowing what to do can make all the difference. First, both the U.S. citizen and the fiancé must meet certain rules. The U.S. citizen must be legally able to marry and be a citizen. Neither person should be married to someone else at the time of filing. The couple needs to plan to marry within 90 days of the fiancé's arrival in the United States. It's also necessary for the couple to have met in person at least once in the 2 years before applying, unless there are special reasons like cultural customs or hardship. Next, gather all the right documents. The U.S. citizen must fill out Form I-1 29 degrees Fahrenheit, Petition for Alien Fiancé. This form is the first step and must be filled out completely and accurately. Proof of U.S. citizenship is needed, like a passport or birth certificate. Evidence that the relationship is real is also important. This can include photos together, messages, travel tickets, or affidavits from friends and family. The fiancé needs a valid passport, a birth certificate, police clearances from all places they have lived, and a medical exam report. Financial proof is another key part. The U.S. citizen must show they earn enough money to support the fiancé. This is usually 1 to 5% of the federal poverty guidelines. They can do this with recent tax returns, pay stubs, and an affidavit of support. This document promises they will financially support the fiancé if needed. Preparing for the interview is essential. The fiancé will go to a U.S. embassy or consulate for a face-to-face interview. Be honest and clear about your relationship and future plans. Bring all the documents you submitted and any extra evidence that shows your relationship is real. Avoid common mistakes that can lead to denial. Do not apply if either person is not legally free to marry. Make sure all documents are complete and consistent. Do not underestimate the importance of proving your relationship is genuine. Allow enough time for police clearances and medical exams. Remember, the marriage must happen within 90 days of entering the United States. If you don't marry in time, you could lose your status and face deportation. For migrants from the Middle East, cultural differences and long-distance relationships can make the process more complex. It's helpful to document cultural practices and explain any reasons for not meeting in person sooner. Consulting with an immigration lawyer familiar with Middle Eastern stories can help you avoid mistakes and guide you through the process smoothly. By following all the legal steps carefully, preparing your documents thoroughly, and being honest during your interview, you can increase your chances of getting approved for the K-1 fiancé visa. This opens the door for you and your loved one to start your new life together in the United States.